Hey guys, and welcome back to another week's vlog. So really nice light in there, but yesterday we got like all new curtains and stuff for like the sitting room. And they're like this real like deep navy and they're stunning. And they're on sale, so I'm sorry, I'm not focused. And they're on sale, so it was like really good. But yeah, they're actually stunning. And then we got like a new painting as well for the wall there. And then I have to like find cushions and stuff to go on the couches, and then hopefully we can get new couches sometime because these couches are so ugly. But yeah, that's what. And we got a new carpet as well. I'll show you like that, and then I'll kind of like insert like a kind of picture up here of what like the curtains were like before, because the curtains we had in here previously, we've had them since for like 20 years now, I think it is, because they're the curtains that were originally in the house. And it's kind of sad to see them go because they're like custom made and everything. Like they were stunning bright at the time, but like they're kind of like a bit old fashioned now. And yeah, so I'll show you that. Okay, so these are the curtains. They're like a deep navy and they're like a real nice. They're so soft when you feel them. Yeah, so they're real nice. And I'm gonna be doing a video on like how to transfer your space just for like soft furnishings, like, you know, the curtains and cushions and stuff, because like they're nice, the cushions are here, but like you need to get like new inserts and stuff from them. And yeah, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go with like lavenders and pinks and greens in the cushions, because like these are just like not nice at all. They're like so old and boring. But that's the picture. As you can see, like it has like the pinks and the greens and the reds and like maroons and stuff in it, and then it really like brings out the colour of the wall. And yeah, it's really nice. We just need to get like something then to hold it back because it keeps falling forward. But just as a little impromptu tutorial, you see the way it's closer to the couch and it is to the ceiling. That is what you want. You don't want it to be too high up because it looks like it doesn't make you relax, it makes you like tense, and it just doesn't look as nice. So if I come back here, like it looks like it belongs there, but like for these curtains we have to get like you know, one of the things that go here to hold the curtains back, so we have like a nice kind of, oh whoa, that went real bright there. There, that's better. No, that's not good at all. But yeah, sorry, it's just kind of like focusing really bad here. But previously we had these things that you like connect back and drifts them back. I really like the look of the wall mounted ones that stick out. And I think like either like an antique silver or kind of bronze would look kind of nice. Hey guys, so it's Monday now, and it's like just coming about 8 o'clock. I don't know if you can see there, half 8. Okay, 1 second. So it's just coming like half 8, and I'm just gonna go do a workout now because I'm going to Rome this Monday, next Monday, and I just want to be in like a semi good shape for it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I just have to go upstairs because all the workout equipment is like upstairs. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna, I need to get my charger so I can plug into the speaker, and then I'm just gonna do a quick little workout. My workout isn't like anything special because half the time I don't even know what I'm doing, but got it. Half the time I don't even know what I'm doing, but I just like kind of copy it of like fitness people on Instagram and try to do the best I can. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Guys, so today I have to go up to Sligo because for this Rome trip we have to have the I don't know, head of the administration office or something sign forms so that we're allowed to go. So that's why I have to go up today, and it's like 2.5 hour drive, and it's a 2.5 hour drive back. But whilst I'm up there, I'm meeting up with Natalia because I haven't seen her like all over Christmas, so maybe she might go into the vlog, I don't know. And I look so tired this morning, I know, because I've been up since 5:30. I don't know why. I just try to get back into being a morning person because I used to be so good during like leaving cert. But yes, that's what I'm going today, and I'm also going to learn TK Maxx, and because we need to get new pillows for the sitting room and also things for the curtains, I don't know what they're called, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, and I'm scared. Hey guys, so I just arrived back in Sligo now. I'm just in my room, and it's currently snowing outside, so perfect. I'm gonna be destroyed today because I hate zipping this jacket up because it looks like disgusting when it's zipped up, but yeah, so that's where I am at the minute, and then I'm gonna go over to the IT now and get this form signed. I'm just waiting for Natalia because I don't want to go over on my own, and then I love this one so much. It comes in like loads of different colours. I feel like this is my favourite though. It would be nice for like an accent wall, wouldn't it? Yeah. There's a Van Gogh. That is stunning, I think. Look at that, that is actually stunning. No, I don't like that one. Let's go to the patterns again. Oh my god, I'm in love. I love these so much. I want to change my room again. No, I don't like them. These are like literally
like painting.
Yeah. You can smell this like.
Yeah.
She feels like art. Whoa. These are literally with art turned into wallpaper. Like that's unreal. Ashley Wild, Ashley Wild, Ashley Wild. They do the best fabrics ever. Love these so much. What's that one?
Yeah.
PT. I'm having so much fun here. How long have you been looking at stuff now for?
Like an hour.
An hour. Literally looking at.
Maybe longer.
Yeah. Literally looking at samples of wallpapers and oh my god, that's so crazy. I'm not actually too impressed by the stuff in here, but you know, it's okay. Found a vase for €3. It's actually steel, and then there's also like this one and this one, and they're all €3. I have to drive home in this. That's so depressing, I have to drive home in it. Oh my god, you guys, I'm not even lying. I'm literally so exhausted. I've literally been up since 5 o'clock this morning, and it's like coming, what time is it? It's coming like 10 o'clock, and I still have to edit this video. I just finished recording it there. Yeah, it's like it's something like real. It's like kind of like different for my channel, but like I want my channel to be kind of like fashion and interiors because I love like both. But like obviously like I Love and Cheers more. But yeah, so I'm posting that like tonight, but like I know no one's gonna see it till like tomorrow because like literally, who stays up till like 1 o'clock in the morning watching videos? Well, I do, but yeah, I'm trying this new thing where like I go to try to be in bed by 9 o'clock, and then I wake up like super early at 5, like, and then I do like a little workout, and then just do like everything for the day, because I prefer like to have my evenings like to chill out and whatever, and then like work hard in the morning and stuff. So yeah, and I'm so annoyed, like literally today, as you can see, I like vlogged in public. So proud of myself. But yeah, I vlogged in public, and I was in Mr. Price, and I thought I was recording, and like I was actually talking to you, going through the aisles and stuff in Italia, and I was like having a great time of it. And then I looked at my phone and I wasn't even recording. I was like, oh my god, sickened.com. But yeah, so I think I have enough content anyway for like enough like footage anyway for this week's vlog. So yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow. I'm just gonna go to bed now. Well, sorry, no, I'm gonna edit my video, do the thumbnail and all that, and upload it, and then if anyone's still awake and wants to watch it, they can watch it. But yeah, then I'm gonna go to bed, and then I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Hey guys, so I just got my package from Berries and Grey. What's it called? Berries and Greys? Berries and Grey. There. And it's for DIY that I'm gonna do. But look at these roses, like they're not real, but like, don't they just look amazing? I'm really getting into like berries and stuff now, so I also got some orchids as well. Like you literally, the camera doesn't do justice at all. Like they literally look so good. And even the stems on them, like they literally feel so real and look so real. It's actually insane. Hey guys, right, so Ashling's watching my vlogs, but Paddy wanted to be in one of them as well.
Hello.
He felt left out, so I said I'd put him in one. Ashling's back. Okay guys, that's it for another week. Next time you see one of these vlogs, it'll be of Rome, and I spilled water there, so that's why that's there. So the next vlog will be of Rome. I'm going like tomorrow night at like 1 o'clock in the morning, so technically it's Monday morning, but yeah, so yeah, I'll see you then. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.